Hi, Frank here, Sales Coordinator at Dry Guys Basement Systems. Today we're going to talk about a question that might be running through your mind. Do I need a contractor for my foundation repair? People want to save money, and when it comes to home improvements, they often look for the cheapest way of handling a problem. A lot of times you can DIY or do it yourself a home improvement project and have good results. Or you can get away with hiring a local handyman for a cheaper price. But when it comes to foundation repair and basement waterproofing, it's a little more complicated than that. So do you need to hire a contractor to fix your basement? First, let's talk about the option of hiring a handyman versus a contractor. Sometimes we see people that have hired a friend or a handyman to fix their basement. But the problem is, fixing and waterproofing your foundation isn't as simple and straightforward as you may think. It requires specialized knowledge on how foundations work, what type of soil your house is built on, what the water table is, engineering is often involved, possibly permits, and the only materials available to a handyman are whatever he might find at Home Depot or Lowe's or any other hardware store, which a lot of times is not the greatest stuff to use. So it's very easy to mess up. And when you do mess up, the results can be devastating to your house. For this reason, we highly recommend that for a job like this, you hire a contractor. Contractors are better for big jobs and for work that requires permits. Foundation repair and basement waterproofing often does involve getting permits.